Majestic Han watchtowers have witnessed the splendor and vicissitudes of the Western and Eastern Han cultures. The meandering canal has recorded the rise and glory of the capital of Chinese construction machinery. On this ancient and vigorous fertile land, a power from the east is flourishing and shining like a bright pearl, reflecting the path of global industrial machinery development. This power comes from Xuzhou Global Precision Steel Tube Company Limited. Global is connected to the world. Ultimate perfection, exquisite craftsmanship, outstanding quality. For nearly 2 decades, we have been working together with a focus on quality and forward-looking global perspective, specializing in manufacturing precision steel tubes. With a 200,000 square meters large-scale industrial base, we set up 2 production areas in Xuzhou and Xuzhou. We established industrial benchmarks through an annual production capacity of about 80,000 tons of precision seamless steel tubes, 2 million sets of hydraulic and pneumatic pipeline assemblies, and high-pressure common rail oil tubes, copper tubes, stainless steel tubes, aluminum tubes, and alloy tubes for engines. As a national high-tech enterprise, we have successfully won many honors, such as Jiangsu Specialized, Refined, and Innovative Enterprise, and Jiangsu Hydraulic Tube Engineering Technology Research and Development Center. We have passed authoritative industry certifications, including ISO 9001 and IATF 16949, and have obtained more than 40 patent achievements so far. Ultimate sincerity, craftsmanship, exemplary quality. With a professional technical service team, we are dedicated to the research and application of high-precision seamless steel tubes, pipeline assemblies, engine high-pressure common rail oil tubes, copper tubes, stainless steel tubes, aluminum tubes, and alloy tubes for high-end hydraulic and pneumatic systems that can quickly match the development and customization demands of downstream new products. Crafting our techniques through ingenuity, we persevere, strive for excellence, and seek perfection. We set up a hydraulic pipeline engineering technology research and development center, continuously accumulate technical experience, build a core system of independent intellectual property rights, and provide strong support for the sustainable development of enterprises. Here, we uphold the spirit of exploration, featuring pioneering, innovation, and endless pursuit, and manufacture each product with the resilience of self-improvement and the responsibility of carrying things with great virtues. Our 100,000 square meters modern factory buildings adopt an advanced, flexible production system to flexibly meet the special needs of small batches, multiple specifications, and personalized customization. We select high-quality raw materials and use a lean and efficient manufacturing model to standardize production quickly. From cutting to size, acid pickling and phosphating, multi-pass cold drawing or rolling, precision straightening to ultrasonic cleaning, and a series of surface treatment processes. Every step adopts high standards and strict requirements, quality control measures to ensure each product carries the gene of quality first. Ultimate elaborateness, craftsmanship, strive for excellence. We are keenly aware that details determine success or failure, from non-destructive eddy current testing and mechanical performance testing to internal hull cleanliness inspection, and over 10 other testing processes. We ensure quality control throughout the entire process. The accuracy on the millimeter level bears witness to the extraordinary. Our various series of precision tube products have smooth and flawless inner and outer walls and no residue of the outside layer, ensuring extremely high dimensional accuracy. It not only meets the special requirements of various industries for high precision and high cleanliness, but also shapes a quality model with its excellent mechanical properties, such as high-pressure resistance, high-strength tensile strength, impact resistance, and outstanding mechanical processing performance. Far range, intelligent manufacturing, connect the world. We have never ceased our efforts, but always explored the infinite possibilities of our products through a forward-looking strategic vision. Taking technology as the wing, we empower the environmental protection costs based on quality. We connect the world. We have reached long-term cooperation with well-known enterprises such as XCMG SANY Heavy Industry, ZOOMLION, FAW, SAW, BYD, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group, Jiangnan Shipyard, and China Aerospace. Our products are widely applied to engineering machinery, automobiles, high-speed rail, agriculture, military industry, aerospace, machine tools, shipbuilding, and many other fields. We have built a resilient ecological supply chain and a worldwide sales network, and exported our products to over 30 countries and regions, including Japan, Korea, Russia, Germany, France, and Malaysia, allowing the world to witness the power of China's quality. Global connects the world.